Hello, it's Claire Phoenix. I'm here at FoodBev. I'm here with Andy Daniels and James Benger of Manitowoc. Can you just tell me about this multiplex machine? What exactly does it do?
Yeah, hi, how are you? We basically showcasing a really innovative piece of equipment from our set of beverage capabilities and solutions. It delivers a real varied offer of iced blended beverages that are dispensed and blended in the cup. So we really drill down to give great scale efficiencies on wastage, operation and also consistency.
And how many choices would a consumer have?
The choices are vast, really. The ability for the machine to start right the way down at a very simple offer, just an over ice offer, an agua fresca or a peach tea or a lemon tea, an iced tea, very, very simple fruit base or indeed a vegetable based smoothie offer, right the way through to a very indulgent, sort of high-end, high-priced, spoonable beverage dessert.
So there is personalisation, people can choose what they're having, that's the main point. Is it 400 options you say here?
Yeah, with the SKUs, with the additions, the mix-ins, you can really go above and beyond the standard mix of 3 by 8. There are 8 flavours that we store within the cavity of the machine here. Sorry, James.
And how are they stored? What are they in?
And they're in a bag-in-box pouch solution, which tends to be from our partners from Cholet. So it tends to be filled to a 7.5 kilo pouch with a quick seal closure for long shelf life conformity.
What is the shelf life? What are you looking at?
Typically unopened. Storage is anything to 6 months, but with once opened, a 2-week shelf life typically.
That's pretty good. So it's just plug and play, so it's really easy to use.
Very, very simple, very, very effective. The control panel that we run, the Easy Touch control panel, is very, very intuitive. It makes the confidence of the operator, very, very quick training, very quick compliance to efficiency and use by the end user.
And how does the machine get cleaned in between? What do you do?
It has 3 different regimes of cleaning, a daily regime, a weekly and a monthly.
But it also seems to send water through the whole system immediately after.
Yeah, once we've asked the machine to blend one beverage, we want to go and blend another, particularly a different flavour. So we want to ensure that there is no cross-flavour contamination. So each blend performs a rinse from the blend chamber so that there is a complete clean and fresh starting point for the next beverage to be made.
Okay. And what Manitowoc is famous for is the ice. So can you tell me about the different ice sizes here?
Well, we use on board an ice machine, which is a sort of 10 kilo nugget ice machine, which is the best form of ice to make a very, very good smoothie. You want a softer nature ice that blends more efficiently. It also allows you to reduce the noise level as well. You don't want to be blending with a large gourmet cube ice. That's for something that you would drop into a nice scotch or a bourbon and is very attractive. You want to be using a very small nugget ice that allows you to blend very quickly and very effectively. These beverages are coming out in around 30 seconds from point of order or execution to blend. So it's very rapid, so that nugget ice gives us that efficiency.
All right, that cools it down very quickly as well.
Yes, it disperses, you get great colour, great flavour, and it's very efficient. It's the best flavour and efficiency.
Great. Thank you, Andy, really interesting.
Thank you.
James, could you just tell me what these 4 drinks are here, please?
Yeah, sure, no problem at all. Here we have a very simple blend.
Yes.
So we just incorporated the flavour and blended it with the ice.
So what's that, pineapple or?
That is a lemon and lime with a mint, so we can then create like a mojito or a cocktail by adding alcohol to it. Right. Or we can go then to a lemon, so we're utilising the same product but creating a lemon milkshake product.
It's creamier, indulgent drink.
More of a frappe base with the flavour. And then we've got the indulgence where we've got a chocolate, and then we've got a raspberry with cream, and then we can upgrade those or make them more indulgent by putting the cream and the flavours and the flakes and the chocolates on top of those as well.
Great. And can you perhaps just show us how one is done?
Certainly can, yeah. So we have the touchscreen control here, which has all the pictures of all the flavours drinks that we have on here. We simply just take the cup from the holder, place it underneath the chute, and then I can choose a drink, say raspberry and cream. I choose my cup size. We can have various cup sizes on there if we wanted to, regular, and then you'll see once I press the green tick, the ice is delivered along with the flavour.
What are the cup sizes available?
From anything from about 12 ounces up to about 16 ounces. It then tells me where to actually place the drink into which chute, because they both work evenly, so no no actual blender will be overworked, so they work exactly the same. We can then place it straight into the blender, and then we press the green tick, and then away we go, it blends away. And that'll take roughly about 30 seconds to blend. So we don't have to worry about wastage because we're serving the cup with the beverage in straight over to the customer from the blender.
Which countries is this available in now?
It's available worldwide.
But where does it actually exist?
At the moment it's all through Europe.
Yeah.
In and what I'd say about it's in most McDonald's throughout Europe at the moment, where they serve all their frappes and their smoothies.
Right.
And there you go, it's done. We can then remove the drink. We can then serve that to the customer. But then you'll see the automatic rinse, which Andy's already talked about, so we don't get any of that flavour transfer from one drink to another drink.
Is that with hot water or cold?
That's cold water.
Right, okay, great.
And away you go. And then we can then finish that off, we can garnish that up, we can serve it plain, or we can then add a bit more indulgence to it with the cream and the fruit flavours on top, and then serve that to the customer straight away.
Thank you, James.